Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. If you're a student drowning in lectures, readings, and deadlines, here are the best AI note-taking apps that can actually help. Number 1 is Otter AI. Otter records and transcribes your lectures in real time. It highlights keywords, identifies speakers, and even creates summaries. It's reliable, accurate, and perfect for class recordings. Then we have Fathom. Originally built for Zoom meetings, Fathom now helps you auto-summarize and timestamp key points. If you study online or do a lot of video-based learning, it's a solid pick. Then we have Granola AI. Granola shines with live note-taking during calls and lectures, especially when speed matters. It's built for students who want their notes structured and organized with no fluff. Last but not the least is Notion AI. If you already use Notion, the AI add-on helps generate summaries, clean up class notes, and prep study guides. It's flexible but best for those who already like Notion's style. If you want no effort at all, go with Otter. If you want structured, editable notes, Granola AI is a sleeper hit. And if you're already living in Notion, just power it up with AI. That's your note-taking upgrade, smart, simple, and scam-free. This is How to Literally. See you in the next one.